Hey, what's going on, crew? We are back with another video. Hey, we're inside the convention center here in Pigeon Forge, guys, and we're at the Ride Run show, and we're gonna just take a quick tour inside, guys. It's, I tell you what, there's a lot of people here, but they are limiting how many people are here, so it's not gonna be as tight as normal whenever we come up here to the Ride Run show. So we're gonna catch some cool cars, guys, and hopefully you guys have just watched the previous video of us down here at Pigeon Forge. We got some really cool cars, man, up front as soon as you walk into the convention center. So I'm gonna turn you guys around and I'm gonna let the camera do all the speaking for me today, man, because there's a lot of cool stuff in here. And I'm gonna try not to make this video too long so you guys can enjoy it. So I'll probably make about 2 or 3 videos running together, guys. That way you guys can enjoy these videos and enjoy all these nice cars that we got out here to show you guys. All right, so I'm gonna let the camera do the talking. And here's the first one of the day, guys. What's the year? What's wrong with your truck now?
Nothing.
So what is it doing there? What is it, just sitting?
Just sitting.
Is it rusted out?
Well, it probably needs some work. It wasn't too bad, but it's got the utility body on the back, and it's a C20.
What do you mean by utility body? You keep saying that.
The toolboxes.
Oh, okay, I got yeah. Oh, I'm sorry. Excuse me. Huh? You do not like orange, dude.
I don't like orange.
That's what color I'm putting my other one. See? Right.
Well, I won't ride in it.
That's messed up. I'll get this one here. That's a pretty color. That's a different color here, man. That's nice.
Yeah.
Oh, you fine. See, man, this right here inspires me, man, to make sure whenever I finish doing my build and stuff, try to have everything pristine. This one here that I'm doing, as far as my body work, just make sure I'm anal about everything.
It's an old V8. Still got the old holes in it, ignition.
I love the paint job in your car, man. Beautiful. Beautiful. I'm sorry, say that again. It's actually
56 and 57 stock show.
Oh, it is. I tell you, I don't think I've ever seen this color on any other vehicle.
It's not that problem. My buddy found it.
Yeah. Hey, did he paint it? Y'all, he painted it and everything? And
He had it done.
well, like I said, I'm gonna have this on YouTube. Check it out there, man. It's gonna be a nice one in there. What's your name?
Mitchell Griffin. Carl,
I'm sorry?
Carl.
Okay, all right.
Right.
I said, well, I'll never do it.
Hey man, nice car, man. Nice car.
You got a good eye. And I agree with you. Old guys do room, don't they?
Oh, that's right, man. You're right. Yeah. Is this your guys' vehicle, man? Okay. Now I tell you what, that interior goes good with that. I mean, you wouldn't think, you know, that brown and light brown would go good with that black, but that's perfect. I mean, that is just.
Yeah.
Some people try to do it, but it's not too dark of a brown or anything. You know, that's awesome, man.
Yep. What we tried to do was go back as close to original as we could. I mean, it's a custom paint and a custom interior.
Oh, definitely, yeah.
But it's the same pattern and everything that you'd get if you bought a legendary seat coverage, vinyl.
Yep.
And the guy that did it,
Okay.
he,
We're gonna open up for us, guys.
I had him put these.
Oh yeah,
pentagrams
yeah,
on it.
definitely, yeah.
Trying to make it pop.
Look at that, he put the original.
It's an Acura leather. The colors.
Aqua leather.
Yeah, it's a replacement leather for Acura cars.
I know. I like the carpet. That's that what is that? I got carpet like that in my truck. It's that loop. Yeah, loop. That's what I said. Loop. Yeah. It's kind of hard to clean though. My look, I got black.
Oh yeah, it gets a little.
Well, you know, like
grass and
yeah, that easy.
stuck in it. Yeah.
Oh man, is that suede headliner?
Yeah, it's
Oh man,
it's suede.
that's what everybody want in their cars now, guys. Are suede. You know,
Yeah.
that's even in the newer cars, they're having custom
This is
material.
a Texas car, numbers matching, factory air car, which you don't hardly ever see factory air in these Furies.
Yeah.
See these two
Oh
vents
yeah.
here?
Okay. Yeah. You can get that from the inside. Well, it'll be on my channel. I just started a little channel.
Good deal.
Oh man, look at the factory air. I didn't even. You know what? I really didn't even notice that was up there.
Yeah, that's the way you can tell if it's a real factory car. And then you got the two vents down below.
I saw those down there. Yeah. Got factory air here.
Because the old AC units are very difficult to get them up to par. We put a serpentine belt and the billet aftermarket AC unit on the front of it.
On the front of it.
Yeah.
Now you might. Are you might?
I might,
Okay,
yep.
cool.
Yeah. It's got stainless steel exhaust, front to back.
Dual in the back.
It is dual. The engine, like I say, it's numbers matching. We went back with the original carburetor,
Yep.
and again, it's as stock as we can make
Did you
it.
rebuild the motor that was
The
there
engine
for us?
was completely rebuilt to factory specs.
Wow.
Kind of the way that
I'm pretty sure she, with the dual exhaust, I'm pretty sure she doesn't sound like she did when she first was built.
it sounds really good.
I bet you it sounds gnarly. Yeah.
Yeah. So, good deal.
Well, good
You got a
deal.
good
Hey,
eye.
thanks, Mike.
So, I'm gonna check you out.
Yeah,
now.
check me out.
Now you give Scotty D a run for his money.
Oh, I don't know, man. I look
Now
up
put
to
that
Scotty.
on Scotty D,
Hey, go ahead.
give him a run for his
Tell
money.
him again. Now, go so right now.
Give Scotty D a run for his money, because Scotty D hasn't come by and looked at this car as close
Scotty,
as you have.
hey, I'm glad I got it first, man.
That's right.
I'm glad I got it first, and it'll be on here first thing Monday morning. That's for sure when I
That's
edit
right.
it.
You take care. What's your name?
My name is C. They call me CJ the Cigar Man.
CJ the Cigar
Yeah,
Man. Okay.
I own a tobacco shop, but I restore old cars as well.
Good.
And that's what my channel's about: restoring old cars, and
Yeah.
going to these car shows. Getting
Well, I've got my own channel,
Oh, you got a channel too?
but it's about me and my wife's road trips. We go.
Hey,
we'll
well, go
do-
ahead. Give a shout out. What's your channel?
I don't even know what it's called. It's Dog Tired Customs, I believe.
Hey guys, you guys go to Dog Tire Customs.
Yeah.
Check out Mike and his wife, guys. They make awesome videos and stuff. Cause I'm gonna check them out once I get back
That's
to the
right.
room,
We
man.
go to, and if that's not right, I'll send you the link. How
Send
about
me the
that?
link. That's right, man.
I don't have sense enough to do it. My wife does. I own a technology company,
Oh,
and I don't have sense enough to put a YouTube video.
Oh, come on, man.
Good talking to you.
Hey, Hey, same here,
Yeah,
man. I
take
appreciate
care.
it.
God bless.
It's been fun. God bless you
bless.
too. That was good, guys. That was good. All right, guys. So, hey, we just got through doing. Let me take off my mask here. So we just got through doing that little walkthrough of that Sport Fury, the 1964. And hey, Mike was so nice, guys, to us and stuff. So I'm gonna end this video on that note because we're actually the full, and I want to make sure you guys actually really enjoy that video of him. So we're gonna still walk around after I end this video here, and we're gonna go ahead and jump into another video, guys. And like I said, check out Mike's channel, guys. He seemed like him and his wife's channel. They do a lot of traveling and stuff. Check that channel out, guys. So hey, I want to thank you guys for watching this video, and hey, go ahead and click on the next video, guys, because we're gonna keep them rolling, man. As long as we're here, we're gonna make plenty of videos. And like I tell you guys, if you got a fast car truck, smoke them if you got them, baby. CJ is out, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.